Cut off about 2 to 3 millimeters each time. Then fluff it until fairly loose. I have prepared 1.5 hollow paper tips. First, put half a tip into the 7 millimeters hand roller, then insert another tip. Then fill it in, filling slightly more tobacco than usual. Fill evenly. Fill it all in without leaving any exposed, then cover the hand roller and tear off the exposed tobacco. Then rotate it and roll the slow burn paper in. Cigar requests for enough draw resistance, so we must use a 7 millimeters hand roller. Dip your fingers in water and shake off the excess. Don't apply too much water to the adhesive strip, excess water will reduce adhesion. Then rotate only one side rod of the roller. After rolling, tear off the outermost half tip. Then test the draw resistance. It's fine as long as it's not too high. The 7 millimeters hollow paper tip is small, so use the included adapter. If you can't find the adapter, see the manual. Then align the burning point. Align the tip with the first row of holes. Where is the burning point? Pinch the threaded tube with your fingers and place finger against the device's edge. Rotate the threaded tube in until your finger touches the device's edge again, positioning the tip at the burning point. Loong Shell has no rival in expressing Cuban flavors and caramel aromas. If blockage occurs midway, take it out, discard the burned section, and crush the hardened section. Realign with the burning point and reinsert. Blockage will be resolved. The flavors will continue to evolve thereafter.